JavaFX 16 just came out, so let me show you how to upgrade from JavaFX 15.0.1 to JavaFX 16. Let's go to Gluon's website. Let's look at here, JavaFX 16. I'm going to download Windows version SDK. It may take about 2-3 minutes. Then here, open it. We can simply unzip it to Java installation directory. So program files, we have JavaFX SDK 15.0.1 and 16. Also, I have a JDK 15.0.2. So I'm going to demonstrate with IntelliJ. And then SceneBuilder 15.0.1 as well. So here, library. This is up-to-date JavaFX SDK 16. So let's create a new project with IntelliJ. I'm using 2020.3.2 with JDK 15.0.2. Let me name project as JavaFX Hello World. Finish. So this project, I'm going to use JavaFX SDK 16. Project structure, library, Java. I unzip to program files under Java. So select Java SDK 16 library. OK. That's the library. Apply. OK. JavaFX build. Here VM options. Module paths. Let me copy JavaFX SDK 16 library directory. Add modules. JavaFX controls. Then JavaFX fxml. Apply. OK. Run it. So we can see JavaFX Hello World as a title. Close it. Let me open sample fxml with SceneBuilder. I'm using 15.0.1. So we have a grid pane. So controls. Let me just simply drag and drop one button. Here FX ID, I will say btn, OK. Event handler, handle btn, OK. Save it. Sample fxml. Let's add data field. And then event handler methods. Let's change to private. Add annotations for fxml. Here I'm going to say sout JavaFX Hello World. So when you click the button, it's going to print javafx hello world on our console. Click javafx hello world. Because I'm using SceneBuilder 15.0.1, if you look at sample fxml, we actually use 15.0.1. You can change to 16 manually. That's going to match with the JavaFX SDK library. Let's try. Okay, launch it. It works as it is. That's all. Thank you.